Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Gonna take the Mojave out. Look like they did a little bit of cutting here so we can get on this field again right here, this little area. I found a primo spot, went to go bash on it. Nice flat big piece of dirt, and man, I didn't even get the car out of the truck, and the sheriff's pulled up and said no. I guess it was private property, and all the kids ride their motorcycles out throughout there, and they're always chasing them off, so they drive by that place all the time to see if anybody's in there. And I just happened to pull up, and he saw me sitting there or standing there getting ready to pull my cars out, and he said no, he got to go find somewhere else. So I'm gonna come back over here since I don't get really harassed over here. So it's getting harder and harder to find a place to bash, you know, in a field or something like that. A lot of the parks around here don't like you doing it, and so I don't know, it's getting harder and harder to bash, guys. That's why it's kind of like the street cars. Bash out in the street, they don't mess with you too much, but they don't mess with me here. So we're gonna get out here and do this. My Mojave Maxx 6, got that 1250 kV motor in there, that big old tank. And then I put these this is screen from like my window screen, put those on there to keep the rocks out of there. Same with this one, because this thing just collects so much rocks. I'll probably get the fender wells for it eventually, but we're that'll be down the road. Make sure it's on the Mojave. Okay. Turn this bad boy on. SpeedTek RC servo, look at that thing. Got no problems turning that wheel. It's a nice servo. Nice servo it is, guys. SpeedTek RC's got some pretty good servos. They're nice and strong. I haven't had no issues with any of them yet. And I do have a link down below for it, and plus a 10% off discount. Use Kurtz RCs, and then free shipping in the continental United States. Mojave, guys, this thing's a beast. Right there. Might have to go play in that gravel over there. Oh, I don't know what that is over there. The grass is still pretty tall. Yeah. Oh. think I turned my fans on after all that. I haven't plugged in and everything. I just didn't turn them on. Oh well. Oh. Oh, big rock. Ran over it like it was nothing. The Mojave's just a beast, guys. It loves this right here. That's what this car is made for, just this flat ground rolling. Oh, almost. Oh, oh yeah. See what's over here. Wah, wah. Thing is moving. Oh, they got rid of those poles or whatever was here, I think. Well, spot's open now. Oh. Well, there's something right here that's never been able to drive on. Something's going on. Looks like we need to something going on with the diff. Yeah, something going on with the diff. Alright guys, that's it for the Mojave. That was fun while it lasted. That's the bad thing about these EXBs. The diffs go out on them though. You know, you gotta cram them with them shims to try to get it to stop doing that, and that doesn't even help half the time. So it's almost worth going back to like the ready to run diffs and just get rid of these EXBs. I've had fairly good luck in the Kraton, but I think this is the second time in this one. But hopefully we didn't strip it out. We can just shim it. Because the plastic dip cases, they move, you know, especially when they get hot, warm up. They expand a little bit, so they get flexible. So it makes the dip cup inside there move a little bit. And let's see if we can see something wrong with it. Got all the rocks falling out of it already. And again, it could be just a rock wedged in there or something, who knows. I mean, look at this thing. Guys, see that? The Mojave is ridiculous when it comes to collecting. Yeah, motor's warm, but it's not bad. Yeah, this is gonna be horrible right here. Ouch. Bunch of sticker bushes in here. Alright guys, we're gonna clean this up at home. And it's gonna take some air to get all that stuff out and some tweezers and all that. There you go guys, the Mojave. I had it on the 6S LiPo. Power Hobby sucks, but I have it on there. It's a battery I got. Doesn't balance right, and they said they were gonna send me a new one out, and they never did, never got back to me, and I've sent multiple emails, so I just gave up, and I'll never buy Power Hobby again. So that's all. I'm sure they won't miss me, but yeah. So, and like one cell's way off, so it runs fine though. I guess it'd be like a 5-cell is what it does, but yeah. But thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and you guys all have a great day.